How to upload video on TikTok from gallery. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to do so. First of all you have to do is open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Once in there, simply go to your profile and simply tap on the plus icon available at the bottom tab. Once you tap on the plus icon, make sure to choose the video option. And then you can see gallery icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Now once you tap on it, scroll and look for the video you want to post it on the TikTok. And once you find the video, tap on it and again tap on the next option available there. Then you'll be navigated to the TikTok posting section. Here all you have to do is select the song for your TikTok video. You can simply search through it and select any song according to your preferences. Then once your song has been selected, all you have to do is write down the caption, tags, stickers, and tap on the next and post it to your TikTok account. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.